Once again, Andy with LA Sports Cards, continuing on with Topps Platinum Dual Box Breaks. We're on box break number 4. That's what's coming up next. So, a little slow roll for everyone. Hopefully everyone's enjoying their Saturday. Alright. Now it's out of the way. Let's get to this. 7654. Alright, good luck to everyone. Good old 40 packs of cards coming your way. Here we go. Good luck, everyone. Once box or break 6 is completed, we'll say, you know what? No, we haven't done that yet. All right, starting off, we have Tyrone Gord, rookie for the Bengals, and our very first hit. Very nice. Eddie Lacy for the Packers. Eddie Lacy, autograph, 3 color. This one out of 99. 23 out of 99. 23 out of 99 going to the Packers. Congratulations. All right, time to start flying. Gronkowski with the Pats. Rockpo with the Redskins. Pettigrew with the Lions. Oh, our next hit. This one going to Kenny Stills. This one is numbered. So Kenny Stills for the Saints. 80 out of 150 for the Saints. Congratulations. And Eli Manning with the Giants. Next up for the Panthers, we have D'Angelo Williams, Matthews with the Chargers, Roddy White with the Falcons, Robinson X-Fractor, rookie for the Jags, and Orakpo with the Skins. Amendola, Patriots, Richardson, Browns, Sproles with the Saints, Tyler Bray, rookie for the Chiefs, and AJ Green, Bengals. Chiefs, Jamal Charles, Bryant with the Cowboys, Peppers with the Bears, Glennon, rookie for the Bucks, and Thomas for the Broncos. For the Colts, we got Reggie Wayne, Smith the Ravens, Jackson with the Falcons, Hopkins, rookie for the Texans, and Reggie Wayne with the Colts. Phillip Rivers with the Chargers, Jackson with the Eagles, Fitzgerald with the Cards, D. Milliner, rookie for the Jets, and Polamalu for the Steelers. Falcons, we got Jones, Matthews with the Packers, Bolden with the 49ers, Rodgers, rookie for the Bills, and Cobb for the Packers. Cowboys, we got Romo, Wilson with the Giants, Bush with the Lions, Monty Ball, X-Fractor for the Broncos, and Amendola, Patriots. Broncos, Welker, Ponder with the Vikings, Ware with the Cowboys, Stedman Bailey with the Rams, that's his rookie, and Doug Martin, Bucks. Broncos, Von Miller, Rice with the Ravens, Daniels with the Texans, nice X-Fractor, Justin Hunter for the Titans, and Jace Winton, Cowboys. Brady with the Patriots, Dalton Bengals, Cruz with the Giants, and Derek Rogers, autograph rookie for the Bills. So for the Bills, Derek Rogers on card auto rookie. Deshaun Jackson with the Eagles. Said because we always want to see E.J. Manuel. Falcons, we got Ryan Johnson with the Titans, Vic with the Eagles, Stephen Taylor, the Cardinals rookie, and Tom Brady Patriots. Palomalo Steelers, Blackman Jags, Wilson Seahawks, Panthers, Kenjon Barner rookie, and Tony Romo Cowboys. For the Bills, we got Spiller, Flacco with the Ravens, Jennings with the Vikes, Tyler Eifert X-Fractor for the Bengals, and Rudolph for the Vikes. Steelers, we got Roethlisberger, Whedon, Brownies, Ridley, Patriots, Zach Line, Vikes, and Peyton Manning Broncos. AJ Green, Bengals, Cutler with the Bears. Oh, there we go. For the Saints, a little Jimmy Graham action. Jimmy Graham, breast cancer awareness. Pretty sweet. EJ Manuel, X-Fractor rookie for the Bills, and Von Miller, Broncos. Marshawn Lynch, Seahawks, J.J. Watt, Texans, Johnson with the Lions, Nassib rookie for the Giants, and Dalton with the Bengals. For the Vikes, we got Rudolph, Doug Martin for the Bucks, Revis with the Bucks, Vernon, rookie for the Raiders, and Vic with the Eagles. For the Bears, we have Matt Forte, Freeman with the Bucks, Newton with the Panthers, a nice little Justin Hunter Black. There's supposed to be one a box, Justin Hunter. For the Titans rookie, and Roddy White, Falcons. On to the second box of break number 4. We have 7620. $76.20. All right. Next 20 packs. Here we go. All right, Harvin with the Seahawks, Rogers with the Pack, Thomas with the Broncos, Nassib rookie for the Giants, and Smith for the Panthers. RG3 with the Skins, Nix with the Giants, Bo with the Chiefs, Vernon rookie for the Raiders, and Pettigrew for the Lions. '49ers, Kaepernick, Davis with the Redskins, Witten with the Cowboys, Taylor rookie for the Cards, and Matthews with the Chargers. Yeah, that Lacey is pretty sweet. Crabtree with the '49ers, Marshall with the Bears, Tannehill with the Dolphins, Tyrone Gord X-Fractor for the Bengals, and Stafford with the Lions. I wonder if this case will produce like a veteran auto patch. Wallace with the Dolphins, Reed with the Texans, Jackson with the Bucks, Barner rookie for the Panthers, and Daniels with the Texans. All right. Marcus Wheaton for the Steelers. Our big hit. This one going to the Broncos, Tavares King. Tavares King auto. It is 2-color, a little bit lower numbered. 568 out of 872. Going to the Broncos. For the Texans, Matt Schaub. Awesome with the Cowboys. Mojo with the Jags. And next hit. This one going to the Redskins. Jordan Reed. Not numbered, on-card auto. Jordan Reed for the Redskins. And Marshall with the Bears. Holmes with the Jets. McFadden with the Raiders. Luck with the Colts. Eddie Lacy X-Fractor for the Packers. Flacco with the Ravens. Eli Manning, Giants. Graham with the Saints. 49ers, we got Frank Gore. Zach Ertz, rookie for the Eagles. And Frank Gore with the Niners. For the Colts, we got Wayne. Torrey Smith, Ravens. Steve Jackson, Falcons. Deion Jordan, rookie for the Dolphins. And Christian Ponder, Vikings. For the Chargers, we got Rivers. Jackson with the Eagles. Fitzgerald with the Cards. Ogletree, rookie for the Rams. And Matt Ryan with the Falcons. For the Falcons, Julio Jones. Clay Matthews with the Packers. All right, coming back to the Broncos. Nice Eric Decker. Nice Eric Decker, breast cancer awareness for the Broncos. Randall, rookie for the Cowboys, X-Fractor. Jets, Santonio Holmes. '49ers, Bolden. Romo with the Cowboys. Wilson with the Giants. Marcus Wheaton, rookie for the Steelers. And Morris with the Redskins. Bush with the Lions. Welker, Broncos. Ponder, Vikings. Bacard, rookie for the Saints. And Jimmy Graham with the Saints. Cowboys, DeMarcus Ware. Gronkowski, Patriots. Orakpo, Redskins. Zach Desert. That's the black. All black for the Broncos, not numbered. Philip Rivers for the Chargers. For the Lions, we got Pettigrew. Williams with the Panthers. Chargers, we got Matthews. Picard, X-Fractor for the Saints. Picard. And Jennings with the Vikes. For the Falcons, we got Roddy White. Amendola with the Patriots. Richardson with the Browns. Oh, another hit. This one going to the Lions. Joseph Faria. That might be a short print. I haven't seen that one yet. So Joseph Faria, autograph rookie for the Lions. Congratulations. Saints, Darren Sproles. For the Saints, we got Sproles, Charles with the Chiefs, Bryant with the Cowboys, Randall, rookie for the Cowboys, and Wilson with the Seahawks. Next up, we got Rothenberger with the Steelers, Whedon with the Browns, Ridley with the Patriots, Eddie Lacy, rookie, standard for the Packers, and it sounds like it's raining here again, pretty good. Richardson for the Browns. And last pack, break number 4. We got AJ Green, Bengals. Bears, we got Cutler. Lynch with the Seahawks. Marcus Wheaton, X-Fractor. Marcus Wheaton, X-Fractor for the Steelers. And for the Bengals, Green Ellis. And that concludes break number 4. So we're going to stop that.